Naniniwala ka pa ba sa mga promises sa Bible? Minsan napapatanong ka, Lord, kailan yung breakthrough, yung healing, yung blessings? Listen to this, para sa iyo to, my friend. Sabi sa Bible, sa Hebrews 6:12, through faith and patience, we inherit the promises. Napansin mo ba? Hindi lang faith, may kasamang patience. May pangako si Lord. Sure na sure yun. Hindi siya nagsisinungaling. Pero may season ng waiting. At ang waiting ay hindi punishment. Preparation yon. Sa Hebrews 10:36, sabi naman, you need endurance so that after you have done the will of God, you may receive what was promised. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka nahuhuli. Hindi ka nalimutan. Ina-align ka lang ni Lord. So today, huwag kang susuko. Keep believing, keep trusting, keep walking. Maniwala kay Jesus, siya ang kasama mo sa waiting season. Speak this with faith. May promise si Lord, may patience ako, darating ang inheritance ko. Check my profile showcase for recommended books to fill your mind with good things. Subscribe to support this mission. Comment this declaration, I will wait with faith, I will inherit the promise. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.